Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this poppin' ass eye look today. I did a poll on my Instagram to see what kind of V-Day look you wanted to see next, and y'all guys voted for a pink cut crease. So your girl came the motherfucker through with this look. I also am going to be doing a more natural look, so if you guys would like to see that, make sure to stay tuned for that. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I used the James Charles palette and the Life's a Drag palette. I featured that in my last video. If you guys haven't checked out my other two videos, please do so. Also, subscribe to my channel, please do that, and if you can, hit the notification bell because that'll notify you every time I do upload a new look. And bitch, like I said before, you want to get notified when I upload a new look because I did not come to fucking play. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had lots of fun creating this look for you guys. I just I'm in love with it. I feel like I have like a alter ego when I do bold ass looks because I'm a basic bitch and I like my natural looks, you know, but it's kind of fun to play with colors like these. If you guys would like to see more looks like this, let your girl know. If you have any suggestions on what you would like to see next, drop it in the comment section. If you did like this video, like I said, and if you do like bright looks, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Your girl is coming through with the videos. I motherfucking told y'all, 2019 is my year, and to be honest, I don't really care who's with me or who's not with me. So, you know, I'm gonna try my best to do me, and if you like it, cool. If you don't, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
We're going to go ahead and start using the Holy Grail Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to be using this as my eyeshadow base. You can use whatever eyeshadow base you normally use. The James Charles palette, and I'm going to use the color Skip. This is a matte neon pink, and I'm using a Morphe brush, and I'm basically packing this on the entire outer lid area. This is kind of in a slower motion so you guys can kind of see how I do it. I'm going to just kind of swirl that in, just kind of really pack that color in. You do apply multiple layers of the same shade, so do be prepared for that. With these shades, you do have to work with them a little bit differently. Try not to windshield wiper. I know I'm doing it right here, but I'm just blending out the edges right here. But when you initially pack it on, you want to pack that shit on. So for the next color, I'm going to be taking Love That. It's the matte magenta, and I'm going to kind of stab that in my crease, just kind of putting that all on the crease, just like everywhere in the eye, if that makes sense. Take the color Skip, and I'm going to fade those two colors together, making it super faded because you don't want to see where one starts and the other one begins. We're going to go ahead and start cutting our crease. This is going to be for the halo look. I'm using, again, this Tarte Shape Tape for that. I really want to try the P. Louise one. If you've tried that out, let me know how you like it because I am very tempted to order that shit online. Pretty much carved my crease. Whatever I have left over, I'm going to just kind of tap my brush, really sharpening the edges because the edges is what really matters, especially the top. Going back in with the shade Love That, I'm basically going to sharpen the crease, just making it a lot darker. And I'm going to be taking this shimmery shade from the Life's a Drag palette. This is the Manny MUA palette, you guys. I love this shade. I can't wait to play a little bit more with that palette. But I'm just going to use that color all over my lid. And I'm going to go back in and just touch up any colors that I think might have faded. I'm going to slowly blend the shimmery shade with the mattes so it's a nice smooth transition. Take a makeup wipe, and I'm going to clean off any fall off that I might have had, and I'm going to use this time to sharpen the way that my eyeshadow looks. So if that's a little tip, if you ever struggle with making that really sharp, just clean it up with a makeup wipe. Super easy. I'm going to take it's like a pinky kind of a silvery glitter, and I'm going to just put that right in the crease. This is just going to give it that little extra-ness that you need on Valentine's Day. So, you know, you don't have to do this, but I just feel like this kind of made this look a little bit different. Instead of me just doing like a halo, this gives it a little bit of glitter. So I really like how that looked. I'm going to just add a little liner to my lash line. So when I put my lashes, it looks cute. I'm popping on the Glam as Fuck lashes by Love Lash Co. This is a local makeup artist in Dallas. Her name is Kim J. Love. If you haven't tried out her lashes, I definitely recommend for you to do so. I love these lashes. They're bomb as fuck, bitch. Let me tell you. I'm going to take the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Spray that all over my face. Take a little bit of the Too Faced primer. Just kind of dab that all on, making my shit all dewy or whatever. Foundation, I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Studio Skin. This is the 15-hour wear hydration foundation. I really like how this looks. Let me know what your favorite foundation has been lately. I always love trying out new foundations, so let me know what your favorite is in the comment section down below. But I'm going to go ahead and just blend out my foundation with this sponge. I got this sponge from Shop Miss A, you guys. If y'all don't know what Shop Miss A, it's a store that sells everything for a fucking dollar, and this sponge is bomb as fuck. So I definitely recommend for you to give that a try. For my concealers, I'm going to be using two different ones. I'm going to be using right here the ColourPop concealer. This is one of my Holy Girl concealers, but I did try a different one on top. Right here I'm using the Makeup Revolution. I love the doe foot applicator. It's a lot bigger, like the Tarte Shape Tape, so I kind of am just playing with this concealer a little bit, but I have really been enjoying it the couple of times that I have worn it. So I definitely recommend for you to try that one. They do have it at Ulta as well, bitch. I'm going to use my Holy Girl RCMA powder, you guys. I recently picked up a MAC one and I'm super excited to try it out. I haven't used it yet, but when I do, I'll let you fucking know, because y'all know, if y'all been watching my videos for a while, this is like the only powder that I use on my face. So I'm going to try it out. If y'all have any powders that y'all recommend for me to try, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and just dust everything off my skin. I'm going to bronze my skin with the NYX concealer. This is in the shade Cappuccino. I ran out of my ColourPop one, so I'm deciding to, give this one a try. It's a Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. I really liked how this laid on my skin compared to the ColourPop one. I kind of like this one a little bit more. But this is basically bronzing myself up. Y'all know, like I said, I love to be bronzy than a bitch. So I'm going to basically use that everywhere on my forehead, on my cheekbones, and I'm going to set the rest of it with the Hoola bronzer. This is another holy for me, holy fucking girl, bitch, because I just love being bronzy, and this Hoola bronzer never does me wrong. I have tried other bronzers. Carve my contour out with the RCMA powder. This is a must for me. I always have to carve out my contour because a bitch got fat ass cheeks, and this just kind of makes me look snatched as fuck, and who doesn't want to look snatched? That's my real question for you. Take the ABH blush and just put this on the apples of my cheekbones. Then I'm going to set everything with the Morphe setting spray. Then, bitch, this is the trick. Put some setting spray on and then go ahead and put your highlight on right after. This is the Amrezy highlight with ABH, one of my holy girls, one of my favorites. I'm very sad that it's only limited edition because I need this for the rest of my life. Put the same two shades that we applied on the top of our eye to the bottom. I'm taking a little small Morphe brush. I don't know the number at the moment, but I will leave it in the description box down below. Just basically make it even, because you will look weird as fuck if you don't put any shadow on your lash line, especially if you're doing a bold ass look like this. I'm gonna top the eyes with a little bit of mascara, especially on the lower lash line. Again, this is a must. Do not forget your mascara. I'm taking a Morphe lip liner and I'm going to basically lip line my lips. I'm going to top the lips off with the Stila Stay All Day liquid lip in the color Caramello, and I'm going to put a little bit of gloss on top. That's the Dolly lip gloss by Buxom. Make sure to set your entire face with a little bit of setting spray. Use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and the Morphe setting spray. Overall, that is the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. We'll see you later. Bye.
I decided to do this. Lady, go over there. Go. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you